In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable or stop NCBA Bank app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, whether you are using NCBA Now, NCBA Kenya, or NCBA UG app, just follow these steps to achieve this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to achieve this, go to your NCBA app. So unlock for mine here. And then you need to access the app info page. The long way is to go through settings. However, the shortcut method is just to long press on your NCBA mobile banking app and tap on app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access app info page. At this point, go to permissions section, and under permissions, you can see notifications are on. If I expand this, you can see all these notifications are on, among them vibration notification, play sound, permanent notification, lock screen, floating, as well as notification badges. With this on, you'll always receive those notifications. Disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth, you'll never again receive alerts from this app unless you toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable NCBA Bank mobile app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.